What's going on, my peeps? Welcome back. Thank you for tuning in. Thank all you patrons. Thank all of you that are subscribed to this channel. If you're not subscribed to it, I would highly appreciate it if you would, with the capital P. I'd appreciate it with the capital P if you'll click the subscribe button. Alright, we're going to work on the electric guitar today. The complaint, well, I'll tell you what, I'll just get you. I'm going to get you. I'm going to get you. I'm going to get you and bring you over here, and I'll show you what the complaint is. We'll test it all out together. So let's do it. Do it. So this is a glarry. One thing I noticed here, that strap button is really loose. I don't know why it would be that loose unless the hole's stripped out. No, it's not stripped out, it tightened up. Okay, the complaint is this jack right here. So let me hook it up. Of course, I gotta turn the amp on. The complaint is in that jack. And there you go. That's what the complaint is. That right there, that noise. He says when you wiggle it, that's not that bad really. But we'll take it out and look at it anyways. It's not that hard to get off. Maybe spray some cleaner in it or something. I just dropped that screw. I have no idea where it went. I'll tell you what, man. When you drop things in this house, it's history. It's over with. It's gone. Let me see if we can find that. Oh, there it is, down in the jack itself. Okay, I want to lose these. I'm going to lay them right there. Solder joints look good. It's just not making good contact. Right there. That is a little bit loose. Let me get a file. I'll bring you back in a minute. I'm going to file this and make sure it's clean, and it needs bent over a little bit, so hold on for that. Find the file first. Hold on. Oh yeah. Check that out, baby. Fatback bacon. Can you dig it? We'll be eating good tonight. Okay, well, this wasn't the file I was looking for, but it's going to work. All I'm going to do is file that where it makes contact. Maybe you can see here. Keep it away from the pickups. And that should be good. Oh, yeah, it's nice and shiny. Let me hit it a little bit more. Hope you guys all doing well. This is a glarry Stratocaster guitar. It's got skulls all over it. I'll show it to you better in a few minutes. Let you have a look what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, that's way better. Let me turn the amp on again. Takes that amp just a minute. That amp's noisy. A lot of that noise, well, all of it's from that amp. very little. I was going to clean those, but I don't think they need cleaned really. I can hear a little bit of change there. Yeah, there you can hear it. Very much, but I can hear it. That's not making, that ain't making any noise at all now. Okay, hold on. Let me just unhook this. And it fits a lot tighter after I bent the connector over. Alright, we need screws. Everybody needs screws, right? Let's get them started with me fingers. So how are you folks doing today? Is it all good? Is life good? I hope it is, man, for everybody watching this video. And all my videos, actually. Alright. Try it one more time. No noise now. Not a bit of noise coming out of that. I was going to clean the pots. Like I say, the noise you're hearing is the amp itself. It's just a noisy amp. That fits way tighter than it did. Anyways, I'll show you the guitar. Hold on. Okay, give you a better look at the guitar now. Like I say, it's a glarry Stratocaster. It's got skulls everywhere, man. You can see the skulls on it there. Skull knobs. If you can see those potentiometers. Skull guitar. That's what the back of it looks like. Basically, it's a brand new guitar. Pretty much. It's fixed. At least it worked here. It worked here okay. So I don't know. We'll see, I guess. Well, thank you guys for watching. I would encourage you to come over to Patreon if you haven't been there yet. It's free. Link in the description. I signed a new link up to buy me a coffee if you'd like to do that. And you can suggest the price you want to pay for the coffee. It's a link in the description. Click it and check it out. It don't cost anything unless you do buy me coffee. And if you do, thank you for that. Anyways, I got a new wrench here. I meant to show this in another video. Check this out, man. It's made by Tiger Wrench, it says. Maybe you can see that there. Tiger Wrench. And you see it's got all different sizes. A lot of different sizes on both ends. I think one side of it's metric and the other side is standard. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4 different sizes on this end and 4 different ones from these on this end. Very handy tool. My wife suggested I get this. And I said, yeah, you know, it looks like a really handy tool. I could probably use that because I am all the time working on craft. So I bought it. Don't remember what I paid. It was a TV thing. And I have to this day yet to use this wrench on anything, man. But I did want to show it to you guys and tell you if you need, you know, one wrench to fit a lot of stuff, this one is supposed to do it. Like I say, I've never used it. It's good. It's heavy. Feels like it's made out of good material. Tiger Wrench. That's what it says. Let me see what it says here. Hold on. Tiger Wrench. Yeah, you can look them up. and find out the price and all that jazz. I'm not getting anything for this. I just thought I'd mention it. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video. Subscribe, man. Just do it. Don't say nothing. Just do it.
Don't say anything, just do it.